Bundle includes Pocket Radar Ball Coach, Pro-Level Speed Training Tool and Radar Gun with a 58-inch photo, video tripod with case, VidPro Power 2000 AA and AAA NiMH Rapid Charger with 4 rechargeable batteries, square jelly grip tripod mount with 360-degree swivel, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Great Speed Training. Measures the fastest speed of an object in flight and has easy triggering capabilities, which means no timing needed. Features. The Ball Coach can measure object speeds from 25 to 130 miles per hour and can be insanely accurate to within 1 mile per hour. Range and power. The Pocket Radar Ball Coach has a range of up to 120 feet on baseball or softball and is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Practice every day and raise your skill level with this Pocket Radar Ball Coach, Pro-Level Speed Training Tool and Radar Gun. Specifically designed to measure the fastest speed of a ball in flight, this high-performance device works great for baseball, softball, tennis, volleyball, lacrosse, hockey, and cricket. It measures from 25 to 130 miles per hour and is accurate to within plus or minus 1 mile per hour, plus or minus 2 kilometers per hour, has 120 feet of range on a baseball and 25 deep memory. Easy to operate. This pro-level radar gun and speed training tool for smart player development through one-on-one coaching or self-guided drills, and hands-free operation keeps it simple. The radar features trigger capabilities that eliminate any timing requirements. Simply hold the button down well before the ball is in flight and release once the speed is displayed. By making crucial results like hitting power, pitching speeds, throwing speeds, serving speeds and shot speeds instantly visible, the Ball Coach is the easy way to get better faster. Top reviews from the United States. I am very happy with my Pocket Radar Ball Coach. It provides extremely consistent readings. Now, I have not yet been able to compare its performance against one of the extremely expensive radar guns, so I cannot comment on the accuracy. However, I did have a chance to compare it against a $100 Bushnell model and it was not even close. Whereas the Pocket Radar Ball Coach was consistent pitch after pitch. That is to say, if a pitcher was throwing his fastball and the speed showed as 84, the next fastball showed maybe 83 or 85, but never more than a couple of mph different from the previous pitch. The Bushnell, on the other hand, was all over the place. The only thing consistent about it was that it was consistently low. While the PRBC was showing, say, 82, 82, 83, 84, 84 on 5 consecutive fastballs, the Bushnell read 71, 63, 75, 44, and 58. Completely unreliable. After a few pitches, the coach threw the Bushnell down and relied on my readings for the rest of the tryouts. As to the price, this package is a phenomenal bargain. For essentially the same price as the PRBC alone, you get all these extra goodies, and let me tell you, if you are going to be using this for more than a pitch or two, you certainly want to have a tripod and the spring mount for the top. When you are not using the PRBC, it's great for iPhones and other smartphones to take pictures or movies. I am a huge fan of this package. Could not be happier.